Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we're going to talk about for each method. Now this is one of my most favorite methods, and now some people will tell, well, when this is so easy, I might have included in your for loop, but in loop section, but let me show you this how easy looping is. So in simply for each method calls a function. It's a callback function, by the way, for a function once for each element in an array in order. Okay, so basically what you do is you loop through an array. So first of all, how we loop? Okay, loop through an array. So what is, suppose let fruits equals to peach, orange, kiwi, and then pear, and also some things like, suppose bull, no what is apple, suppose. Okay, so what would we do if we now looped these things to an array? First of all, find length of array, that is let fruits equals to fruits dot, then do a for loop. Okay, suppose let I equals to 0, I is less than fruits dot length and so this is a very short, this was courtesy of the editor, but still it's a lot of code. Okay, now if I now run this script, let's see what we get. We get all of the things, but this is very lengthy. But for each method is just way more simple. Let us do, and let us write, if you just know for each. Okay, first let me show the ES5 way. How would you print? Okay, fruits dot for ESCH okay, now if you console log this, and you see how easy life is now. Okay, so now if I run node, okay, if I run this script, and let us see what happens. So you see I get the same thing, and this part is very nice. So how easy thing is, what I did is I took the array, then this is a callback function. I put in something known as fruit as a, you can say, as a parameter, and then I printed this. So the ES6 way is just way smoother. Fruits dot for each fruit, and you can just do console log fruit. So you see how smooth ES6 really is. Now if we now run this script, let's see what we get. Okay, so now you see how easy things are, and in many cases you need the use of for each. So for each method calls a function once, and it iterates through each element in an array. So we just need to write, take this and iterate through each element in an array and denote it by pass in a parameter, and then we need to just print the parameter. So you see how easy for each method is. So that is very much it, and this perhaps is very easy. So I have made some errors in the middle, and I have also corrected it. If you guys make some errors, you also need to correct it, and this is the way of programming. So that is very much it, and thank you. In the next tutorial, we'll learn about the difference between function and methods. Thank you.